Afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here. Pretty sure you fell in this video today. You were looking for the best irrigation sprinkler repair company here in Charleston, South Carolina. And I got to tell you, when it comes to jobs that big, you're going to want to leave that to the experts. So call the best experts I know here at Southern Green. Combined, these gentlemen have over 4 decades of experience in their industry. There's no job too big or too small that they can't handle. In fact, here's a quick slideshow to just give you a small sample of not only what they can do for you, but for your family and your loved ones as well. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that was just a small sample of some of the services they can offer to you here at Southern Green. Do me a favor, click on the link below the description to go to our company website, or you can go to this link, which is going to take you to a page that's going to give you brand new discounts for those of you who are first-time family members and customers. Here at Southern Green, we truly want you to love your outdoors. Talk to you soon.